17 or 18, I noticed my hairline was receding. I came here because I saw his website. The technology here, guys, is so much more advanced. And I'm telling you, this is the most effective procedure I've ever done. You look in the mirror and your attitude changes. I'm more confident at work. I'm better in social life, meeting people. Beyond their friendly attitude, I consider it almost like a family here. With other procedures, I've spent 3 to 4 times more than what I've spent in one procedure here. I love you, man. Seriously, you changed my life.
My neighbor had his hair done and I just couldn't believe it. And I said, wow, this is something I would be interested in. And it was really a great experience. Very relaxing, not a lot of pain. My complexion looked better, I felt better. You look in the mirror and you just can't believe it. Some people have noticed, they'll say something different about you, you look different, you'll look younger. The investment is well worth it for anybody, 150%. Dr. Bolton, thank you for making me feel like I'm 50 years old when I'm 70. I'm very happy and it was a wonderful experience and the end result was a terrific feeling for me.
Girls as much. I wanted to make a positive change. I wanted to look better than I felt. I wanted to feel better. A lot happier about it. Nobody has noticed. I am the first guy in about 20 years that he actually approves of the result. I went to every website and Dr. Bolton's results were the best that I could find. Just thanks for all of the work. It really makes a big difference.
I got introduced to the Bolton group through a friend of mine. The day just went really smooth. Now I feel more confident in my profession. People are charging very big dollars, getting half the result of what I got in one procedure. Everybody is, they're total professionals. Dr. Bolton is great. As far as I'm concerned, he's the best at in this craft. The suture scar, you can't even find it in my hair. Not because I got a lot of hair, it's just because he is that good. I thank each and every one of you, and especially you, Dr. Bolton. You are a gift from God, that's what I can say.
I'm losing my hair at 28. I just Googled online and you came up right away. I saw the before and after pictures and you didn't get no result like this. This place is amazing, beautiful. Everything's one-on-one, you're the only one in the office. It's just an unbelievable experience. No scars, no full head of hair in 2 months. It was crazy. You don't even feel nothing when you're doing a transplant. You feel everything for a tattoo. My results speak for themselves. I wouldn't recommend no other doctor. That's it. To come right here as soon as possible.